10 most luxurious train journeys in the world. Ready to ride in style? Let's explore the world's most luxurious trains. 1. The Venice Simplon-Orient-Express, Europe. Step back in time aboard the legendary Venice Simplon-Orient-Express, a symbol of timeless luxury and romance. This beautifully restored 1920s train runs between iconic European cities like Paris, Venice, London, and Istanbul, offering a one-of-a-kind travel experience. Inside, you'll find lavishly appointed private cabins, Art Deco design, and impeccable white glove service. Guests dine in vintage restaurant cars on gourmet French cuisine and relax in the elegant bar car with live piano music. It's not just a journey. It's a moving 5-star hotel that brings back the golden age of travel. 2. The Maharajas Express, India. Welcome to the epitome of Indian opulence. The Maharajas Express redefines luxury rail travel as it rolls through India's royal heartland, from Delhi to Jaipur, Udaipur, Agra, and beyond. On board, expect spacious suites with ensuite bathrooms, butler service, and fine Indian and international cuisine served in ornate dining cars. Cultural excursions include private palace visits, elephant rides, and traditional dance performances. A regal experience, truly fit for a Maharaja. 3. The Rocky Mountaineer, Canada. This is not just a train, it's a front-row seat to the Canadian wilderness. The Rocky Mountaineer offers breathtaking daylight-only journeys through the majestic Rockies, with routes like Vancouver to Banff or Jasper. Its glass-domed coaches provide 360-degree views of snow-capped mountains, glacial lakes, and wildlife, while locally inspired gourmet meals are served at your seat. With gold leaf service, you get upper deck seating, luxury hotel overnights, and top-tier service throughout. 4. Belmond Andean Explorer, Peru. South America's first luxury sleeper train takes you through the heart of the Peruvian Andes, from Cusco to Lake Titicaca and Arequipa. On board, experience boutique hotel-style cabins, local Peruvian flavors, and a dedicated spa car for ultimate relaxation. As the landscapes change from highland peaks to desert canyons, guests enjoy curated excursions like floating islands on Lake Titicaca and historic Inca sites. 5. The Ghan, Australia. A legendary journey through Australia's Red Centre. The Ghan crosses the continent from Darwin in the north to Adelaide in the south. Enjoy plush private cabins, regionally inspired gourmet dishes, and off-train adventures into Catherine Gorge, the Outback, and Alice Springs. With over 2,700 kilometers of immersive landscapes, it's one of the world's most iconic and remote train experiences. 6. Rovos Rail, South Africa. Known as the Pride of Africa, Rovos Rail exudes old-world charm with an African soul. It offers journeys across South Africa, from Pretoria to Cape Town, Victoria Falls, and Namibia. Inside, discover Edwardian-style suites, wood-paneled lounges, and fine dining paired with South African wines. The pace is slow, the service is impeccable, and the views, from vineyards to savannas, are unforgettable. 7. Eastern and Oriental Express, Southeast Asia. Embark on a journey of exotic elegance from Bangkok to Singapore, passing through lush rainforests, remote villages, and historic cities. The train features elegantly furnished cabins, Asia meets, West fine dining, and a stylish observation car perfect for evening cocktails. Each stop includes guided excursions from colonial Penang to the River Kwai, a seamless blend of culture, comfort, and class. 8. The Blue Train, South Africa. More than a train, and it's a 5-star hotel on wheels. The Blue Train travels between Pretoria and Cape Town, showcasing the beauty of South Africa in luxury. On board, enjoy luxurious suites with bathtubs, personal butlers, fine crystalware dining, and a private club lounge. This is the preferred ride for royalty, presidents, and celebrities looking to experience Africa in elegance. 9. 7 stars in Kyushu, Japan. Japan's most exclusive luxury train, 7 stars in Kyushu, offers a multi-day immersive experience across the beautiful island of Kyushu. Inside, the design combines traditional Japanese artistry with Western comfort, featuring handcrafted wood interiors, kaiseki-style dining, and live local music. Limited to just a few guests, this train feels more like a private luxury retreat on rails. 10. Royal Scotsman, Scotland, UK. A countryside escape like no other. The Royal Scotsman travels deep into the Scottish Highlands, where ancient castles, lochs, and legends come to life. Guests enjoy en-suite cabins, fine Scottish fare, and a dedicated spa car with treatments on the move. There's even onboard whiskey tasting and clay pigeon shooting, all while soaking in misty mountain views from the observation deck.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed exploring with Global City Guide. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel insights, hidden gems, and must-see destinations from around the world. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an adventure. See you in the next city.